Hello children, welcome back. Today we will continue English Grammar Module 6 Articles. We learnt that there are 3 articles a, an and the. We also saw the rules how to use these articles. Now, let's complete the story by filling in the blanks with a, an or the. There was once dash man. Which article you will use over here? A, because man starts with a consonant sound. On dash lovely sunny day. Here which article you will use? A, because again the word lovely starts with a consonant sound. He was sitting under dash apple tree. Here you will use an, because the word apple starts with a vowel sound. Dash tree he was sitting under was very big. Here which article you will use? The, because we are talking about the particular tree where the man was sitting. He was reading dash book. Here we will use a, because the word book starts with a consonant sound. Under dash tree. Here again we will use the, because we are talking about a particular tree. Suddenly dash apple fell on his head. Here we will use an, because apple starts with a vowel sound. He put dash book down. Here we will use article the, because we are talking about the same particular book which he was reading under the tree. Wow, he thought, I have been here for so long. This is dash interesting book. Which article you will use over here? An, because the word interesting starts with a vowel sound. Now children, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with a or an. Dash and dash burger. Which article you will use here for and? We will use an, because the word and starts with a vowel sound. And for burger we will use a, because burger starts with consonant sound. Dash sparrow and dash insect. Which article you will use for sparrow? A, because sparrow starts with consonant sound. And an insect. Why an insect? Because insect starts with a vowel sound. Dash elephant and dash bird. Which article you will use for elephant? An, because elephant starts with vowel sound. And dash bird. Which article you will use for bird? A, because bird starts with consonant sound. Dash kitten and dash umbrella. Which article you will use for kitten? A, because kitten starts with consonant sound. And which article you will use for umbrella? An, because umbrella starts with vowel sound. Dash eagle and dash mouse. Which article you will use for eagle? An, because eagle starts with a vowel sound. And for mouse which article you will use? A, because mouse starts with consonant sound. Dash apple and dash orange. For both the words we will use an, because apple and orange start with a vowel sound. Now fill in the blanks with the correct articles from the options given in the brackets. She is dash woman who knows magic. There are two articles given in the bracket, the and an. Which is the correct one? The. Very good, because here we are talking about a particular woman who knows magic. Sejal is dash doctor. Here two articles are given in the bracket, a and the. Which is the correct one? A. Sejal is a doctor. All of us know that dash earth goes around the sun. Two articles are given in the bracket, an and the. Which is the correct one? The. Rakesh has dash ink pen. Two articles are given in the bracket, a and an. Which article you will use over here? An. We saw dash dolphin show. Two articles are given in the bracket, a and an. Which is the correct one? A. Tim helped dash old man cross the street. Two articles are given in the bracket, a and an. Which is the correct one? An. Now take yes or no. Can we say an dog? No. Why? Because D starts with a consonant sound. So we will say a dog. Next question. Can we say a umbrella? No. Why we cannot say a umbrella? Because umbrella starts with a vowel sound. So we will say an umbrella. Let's move on to next question. Can we say the moon? Yes. As we studied earlier that article the is also used while talking about the sun, the moon, the earth and so on. Next question. Can we say an man? No. Because the word man starts with consonant sound. So we will say a man. Let's move on to next question. Can we say an owl? Yes. Next question. Can we say the elephants? Yes. As we know, article a and an is used for singular nouns and article the is used for plural nouns. Children, I hope you understood the use of articles. Now let's move on to the writing part of this lesson. Here we will learn how to write a story. We all love to write a story. Now let's start. Look at the pictures and read the prompts. What is the meaning of prompts? The points or the clues given. With the help of these prompts or the clues given, we will try to write a story. Let's start reading the prompts. There are 4 pictures given and each picture has its own prompt. Let's read the prompt for the first picture. There was a cab seller, felt tired, passed through a forest, slept under a tree, had a bag filled with caps for sale, monkeys on the tree. Now let's read the prompts given for the second picture. Monkeys came, took the caps and wore them. Cap seller woke up, saw no caps in the bag, looked up with worry. Let's read the prompts given for the third picture. Cap seller saw monkeys wearing caps, tried hard to get the caps, could not get the caps back, threw his cap down out of anger. Let's read the prompts given for the fourth picture. Monkeys copied him. Cap seller collected the caps, went happily on his way. Now, let's try to write the story with the help of the given prompts. Can you give a title for this story? Yes. The title is The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. Let's start writing a story. A cap seller had spent the whole day selling caps in the city. A person who sells cap is called a cap seller. After the long day's work, he was very tired. On his way back, he passed through a forest. Where did he pass through? A forest. He slept under a big tree with his bag of caps beside him. He was very tired, so he found a place for his rest. And what did he do? He slept under a big tree and he had bag of caps with him. What the cap seller did not know was that a troop of monkeys lived on that tree. Troop of monkeys means group of monkeys. There were many monkeys on the tree, but the cap seller did not know that. The monkeys had seen the bag with the colorful caps inside it. They opened the bag and started carrying the caps back to the tree. What did the monkeys do? After seeing the caps, they carried the caps with them back to the tree. They even tried them on. They were wearing the caps and seeing how nice the caps were. The loud noise made by the monkeys woke up the cap seller. He saw that his caps were gone. He looked up around with a worry. Then he saw the monkeys on the tree wearing his caps. He tried getting the caps back in many ways, but it was of no use. The monkeys would not give them back. Now what will the cap seller do? At last, out of anger, the cap seller threw his cap on the ground. Now the monkeys copied him and threw the caps down from their heads too. What did the cap seller do? He was angry. He tried and tried to get back his caps, but the monkeys were not giving his caps back. At last, the cap seller threw his cap down on the ground out of anger. Now what happened? The monkeys copied the cap seller and threw their caps also down from their heads. The cap seller collected the caps and went back happily on his way. Children, did you enjoy this story? Study well at home. Thank you.